Hey guys, quick video for you, JetBrains versus VSCode. So the VSCode is more lightweight, it got a very fast startup, and if you don't overload it with extension, it can be like very good. On the other hand, with JetBrains is heavier, it got also slower startup, and it got like more RAM hungry, and it optimized for larger projects, so that's something that you have to be aware of. Now for the features, for the VSCode, minimum core relies on extensions for language support, lending, formatting, testing. You have like the extensions is massive here: Python, PHP, GH, Java, etc. that you can actually get with the VSCode. With the JetBrains, on the other hand, it's out of the box advanced features: deep code refactoring, context-aware auto-completion, framework support, built-in testing. Also, the ease of use: VSCode is very simple UI. JetBrains, on the other hand, it's a reach, but get like busy interface, so that's something that you have to be aware of. Now, for the JetBrains, the ecosystem is smaller comparing to VSCode, and the VSCode offers like nearly every language of extensions. So, but with the JetBrains, you get like PHP Storm, PyCharm, IntelliJ IDEA, WebStorm, and then it's like cost is like straightforward. For Visual Studio Code, it's free and open source. JetBrains, it got like paid subscription. So that's something that you have to be aware of, and I hope this video provided you at least a little bit of value. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.